Hello friends, how are you? বন্ধুরা আশা করি সবাই ভালো আছো যে যেখানে আছো। Um, I hope all guys are well, wherever you are. Welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn about the comparison sign, less than, greater than, less than, equal to, greater than, equal to, So all the sign, in maths, we learn how the sign of the less, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, So we will see in the code, how we can do all of these, so these are the less than, 100 less than 200, 100 is obviously less than 200, and 100 less than equal to 100, obviously 100 equal to 100, so in other ways it's true, 100 less than 50 is false, 100 less than equal to 90 false. And this line means like a new line, create a new line. So here you can see greater than 200, greater than 200, of course, yes, true. 200 greater than equal to 100 is true. 200 greater than 500 false. 200 greater than equal to 500 is false. 500 obviously is greater than 200, so and minus 20 is greater than 20. No, it's false. And here, as you can see, if I run the program, you can see all these true, false, false. So this is how we can write in the code, how to implement in a code if you want to any of the operation you want to use, and equality sign, I mean, this is the equal sign, and this is the assign. We can assign any variable, any value with this sign, and if you want to do make sure you want to equal, is it equal, so this two equal sign, and it's not equal. So here's the two variables, answer 1, answer 2, and I'm trying to print out, is it are both the same, is it just two equal to sign? Yes, it will be true. I'm just going to comment out these, and if I run this program, and it will show it's true. Yes, answer 1, that is true. And if you see, the answer 1 equal to 5, answer 2 equal to 1, I'm trying to figure out, whether it's true or false. Answer 1 not equal to answer 2. Yes, it is. It will be true, as you can see, is true, because obviously 5 and 1 is not same, it will be false. So, and here you can see another variable, answer 1 apple, answer 2 with the string, I'm trying to figure out, is it true or false. So here you can see answer 1 equal to answer 2 is true. Answer 1 not equal to answer 2, I'm saying it will be false, because it is true, both variable has apple, so either one, first one will be true, second one will be false. I mean, I'm saying is not equal to, but actually it is true, so this is not equal to sign. And even to identity check, we operate is and is not, so you want to create the list, so I create the two fruit list 1, list 2, and with both this is the same string, apple, banana, everything is the same. So if I print out, the fruit 1, fruit list 1 and fruit 0, is it true? Yes, it is true. If I run this, I'm just going to comment out this one, and if I run, you'll see it will be true. But let's see if I do this, if I just change it like a capital A, it will be false, because it's not same anymore. You see, false. So you can see. And another thing you can check, is it fruit list 1 is fruit list 2? Yes. It'll be false, because it's two different memory address, they are not same, fruit list 1 is fruit list 2. Am I saying, is it true, is it, no, is it false? And here is, you can see, with is and is not, you can check with either true, false, or none, so I'm just going to comment out these and comment out one variable is true. I'm saying 1 is true. Yes, 1 is true. It is true, because I put that is true, 1 equal to true, so if I run these, you can see is first one is 1 is true, 2 equal to false. I'm saying, yes, 2 equal to false, 2 is false, 2 is false. Yes, false is true. It's showing true, but 2 is not true, 2 is not false. I'm saying it will be false, because it is true, 2 I assign a false, so, but I'm saying 2 is not false, which is false, because it is true, so I hope you guys enjoy, so you will create the next video, hope we'll see you next video. Thanks, bye bye.